Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be introducing the new car coming to the channel. As you guys can see, we got the Mustang here. Looking dirty. But we're going to probably wash it soon, because we're going to have to wash the new car. We just got it. So it's right in front of the camera right now. I'm looking at it. So here it is. Lexus Sc300 coming to the channel. Yes, we got the 2JZ. So yeah. No plates on it right now because we just got that. We just got it and we're gonna have to go get the plates in the next couple days. But it's basically all stock. Or it is off stock, but it's got a couple things missing. It's got the Lexus badge is actually missing from there. The lights don't look too bad, they're just a little dirty. Wheels kind of dirty, everything's just dirty. We got a little bit of fading right here on the door sill paint. I got the carpets there in the trunk. Let me open the trunk. Hood and trunk, open up wheel, pretty nice condition. It is automatic. We already took the shifter boot off because that was actually, not the shifter, the e-brake boot off, because that was actually completely destroyed, so we just took it off. The seats don't look too bad. Back seats, the armrest is alright. Back seats, that one's messed up. This one's not as bad. It's got a couple cracks. We do have the sunroof, as you can see. Other than all this, it's all nice. Key with the fob, as you can see. The passenger seat's actually basically in perfect condition, so we won't have to replace that. But yeah, here we go. Here's the startup. First startup. Here's the key. Well, not first startup clearly, but the lights do basically work except for the 5 through 8,000 on the RPM, so that's a little bit of a problem, but not too bad. But yeah, it starts right up. It is automatic. Time works 134,000 miles, so actually pretty low. We need to put windshield wiper fluid in, obviously. But yeah, basically everything works. AC, damn, turn that on. AC works good. All this works. The 12 volt charger doesn't work, so we're gonna have to fix that up. And yeah, let me hop out, show y'all the engine and the trunk and stuff. I should be able to open the trunk with one hand. But yeah, here's the back seats. A little cracked up. Not too bad though. Here's the original mats. I took these out just because they were super dirty. As you can see, this is the back one. The driver one. Other back one. And then the other front one. Yep, we got a full-size spare. Health kit. 12 CD changer, we got that. Here's the exhaust. Ooh, fogged up a little bit. Let me wipe that. It sounds alright for a stock exhaust. But yeah, let me close this up. We got the lights all work. Got a key thing to open the trunk. Tried that out earlier, works. Antenna actually doesn't work when you put the radio on. It comes up about this high and then it stops working, so we're gonna have to get that fixed. This driver window doesn't work. Sunroof works, passenger window works. And let me open up the engine. So as you can see, I got the healthy 2JZ. This is like a little bit cut. This is all dirty, and I haven't cleaned the engine yet, or I haven't cleaned any of it yet. That's what I'm going to be doing in the next video. I'm going to clean everything up. Or I might cut it and do it in sections and clean everything up. So yeah, we got to add washer fluid. But I mean, everything else solidly clean. 2JZ GE. That's what comes in these. Timing belt replaced at 98,000. We already knew that. But I mean, other than that, it's clean. Besides like the missing badge, a couple like the lights are dirty. That's all gonna be cleaned up. Wheels, bird poop on the side. But yeah, and this, the like door sill is actually a little bit dirty. The door hinges are actually good. If you guys know about SCs, you know these door hinges go bad, and then the doors actually end up hitting the fenders, but they're actually good. Door panels are good. We do have to fix the window regulator and the driver, but that's not a big problem. These are some heavy doors. There we go. But yeah, basically gonna do it for this video. The introduction of the new car. Stock Sc300 2JZ GE. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more SC content. And peace.